Did you know that in Greek mythology, a monster once literally stole Zeus's tendons and left the king of the gods completely helpless on the floor? His name was Typhon, the last weapon Gaia ever built. Part man, part serpent, 100 dragon heads where his shoulders should be. And when he fought Zeus, he won. He ripped the tendons clean out of Zeus's hands and feet, every single one. Then he hid them in a cave so Zeus couldn't move, couldn't fight, couldn't even stand up. The god who throws lightning bolts, the ruler of everything. Lying on the ground like a broken toy, Hermes and Pan had to sneak into that cave and steal the tendons back, quietly, without getting caught, just so their king could walk again. And Zeus did eventually win the rematch. He buried Typhon under a mountain, and that was the end of it. But here's the thing nobody talks about. The most powerful god in existence had to be rescued by his own assistants. He needed help just to stand up. That's the part they always leave out.